Hi everybody, welcome back to Kool Electronics Guy. I hope everybody's had a nice new year. I know I start every video with a beer, but I don't have any good craft beers right now. So, I like martinis. So, I made a martini for my video today, if you can see that. It's Tito's Vodka and dry vermouth. Tribute was the brand of that. And I got 2 olives in there. I usually like the blue cheese stuffed olives, but they didn't have any at the store, so I just got these. It tastes great. Full of a martini today while we do this project. Today I have in front of me a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, and today I'm going to upgrade the RAM. It has 4 gigabytes soldered, and there's 1 expansion slot. And I'm going to go ahead and upgrade it with this crucial 16 gigabyte. Now, I'm hoping this works. I looked online and it says that the maximum RAM that this laptop could have is 20 gigabytes. And I looked at a lot of blogs online, and people were asking questions. Can you actually put 16 gigs of RAM in here? And some people in the blog said, I don't think so. And then a couple people actually did, and it worked for them. And it was the same exact model of ThinkPad that I'm taking the screws out of right now. So I'm hoping that it's going to work for this. Take the screws out of the back of this. It has quite a few screws in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 screws in this. And get this back cover off. When I went to the store today to get the stuff for my martini, like I said, I couldn't get the olives I wanted with the blue cheese stuffed in them, and it's really weird now with this pandemic. I go to the grocery store and I see that sometimes certain shelves are totally empty in the store. Like whole sections of shelves are empty. The rest of the store is stocked pretty good. And then the next time I go to the store, the shelves that were empty aren't empty anymore, but some other ones are empty. And it's just like, so crazy. You just don't know what to get. I've also tried the grocery services. I tried the Walmart grocery service, and I tried the Hannaford grocery service, and I tried the Aldi grocery service. And I have to say, I think Aldi's was the best. They really picked out really nice fresh produce for me, whereas the people who shopped for me at Hannaford, I got rotten produce all the time. Even though Hannaford has a lot of good groceries, it's like they picked out the rotten, oddball ones every time. Walmart, I had to wait forever in the parking lot for them to bring the food to the car. And then Aldi's actually had it delivered to my house. It was through Instacart. And I think that was the best. They did a great job. And all the food was really beautiful. I was surprised. The produce was like perfect. But I don't know if you guys do that. But I gotta say, I think all these are the best. If you guys have any comments on that, please feel free to leave comments in the comment section. It's always good to hear about things like that, because all of our lives have changed during this pandemic. Anyways, let me get the back off this. I've had it off before, so it comes off pretty easy. Hard drive, the CD drive's hung up there. There we go. We'll set that over here on top of the IBM ThinkPad. It's still sitting there from my past video. And I don't know if you can see it good there. Maybe our cameraman can zoom in on that. That is our RAM. And you can see some there. And this is the other 4 gig that came with the computer. And we're going to take that out. And I went on Crucial's. I love Crucial. Like, their website is so easy to use. You put in the make, model, serial number of the piece of equipment that you have. And it tells you exactly what you need. And that's what I did with this. And before I go any further, it would make sense put my anti-static strap on, because this is not my laptop, and even if it was, I don't want to ruin it. So, I don't take any chances. Should have put it on first. There. All set. Take a drink. All right. There it is. You can see it better out of the package. There's our RAM. You can see it, if you can see down there, but 16 gigabytes. So that'll give us a total of 20 gigabytes. This laptop just recently received the Windows 11 update, and now we're going to update it with this RAM. You see, just going to slide it in. You can see where it's keyed. And most people probably know how to do this, but for those who have never done it before, it's so easy. And the notch is there, the key is there. Slide it in, a little angle, and then just push it down, and the clips automatically engage. I always look across just to make sure I can see the contactor stripped across there. It looks equal across, and that's it. There's nothing to it. It was harder to take the back off the laptop. So, all right. Now put this back on. This one's always a little tricky because this the CD drive slides in and out really easy. I mean, I barely have to push it to put it in there. If I tip the laptop on its side, it like slides right out. So I gotta be careful I get that lined up right. Let's see. It's like a trick to it. I think I just did it like this last time. There we go. Now I'm just going to snap the back on. This one snaps on pretty hard. It comes off pretty easy, but it snaps pretty hard. My Acer that I Aspire that I have in my other videos, that one just pops on and off so easy. So there we go. That's in. Before I put the screws back in, I'm going to power it up and make sure this does work. Because like I said, when I looked online and looked at the different blogs, people were unsure if this would work. A couple of people on there, several people on there actually tried it and it worked for them. So I'm going to see if it works. Let's see, it's powering up. Like I said, this is not my laptop, so if you guys can see the dust on here, I don't want you to think that I don't take good care of my computers. It's just, it's not my computer. So, all right, there we go. We got our Lenovo screen on there. I'm gonna put the dongle back in for my mouse. These videos that I take, they're shot in in New York, and I gotta say, today is the coldest day of the year. It's supposed to be tonight with a wind chill, minus 20, minus 30 degrees. It's crazy. I shoot these in my workshop in my basement, which is, technically underground. The temperature on my thermometer on the wall here says it's 52 degrees in the basement. A little chilly down here. Alright, I'm gonna load this up. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. Make sure you ring the bell, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the views. I would really appreciate some more subscribers. That'd be great. Hopefully we'll have some more videos coming up. I try to do one a month. So I did one for New Year's. Check that one out. And I upgraded my Aspire 5 by putting in an additional hard drive. I plan on doing some videos. I'm going to get an Arduino Uno and make some projects with that. I don't know if that'll be the next video or not, but we will have some upcoming videos like that. Alright, we've got the system powered up, the operating system loaded, and now let's see what we have. Let's check that RAM. Like I said, it had a 4 soldered on and it had a 4 in the RAM slot. And we removed the 4 gigs of RAM and inserted a 16 gig. So that would give us 20 gigabytes of RAM. And let's see, everything seems to be working fine. I think there was a problem we'd know by now. And there it is. There it is. Installed RAM. I don't know if you can see it or not. My cameraman can zoom in. But it says 20.0 gigabytes. So the guys on the blog I read were correct. The 16 gig paired with the 4 soldered on, it gave us the 20 gigs, and we're in business. So that was a pretty easy upgrade to this computer. Hopefully the owner is happy. And that's it for this video. Again, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Please ring the bell. And hopefully we'll have another video soon. Thanks. Have a good one.